You get your document set up just the way you want it, and then notice that all of a sudden Word doesn't show any top or bottom margins for your on-screen pages. This can be disconcerting until you know that it's actually a feature in Word, as described in this quick tip. Perhaps you've had this happen to you. You're editing in your document and all of a sudden you notice that your top and bottom margins are completely missing. The on-screen display of your pages shows the correct left and right margins, but not the correct top and bottom margins. You can see that in this document if we scroll down here. Notice that we're switching pages right here, and all there is a line across here. Our margins, top and bottom, are completely gone. This behavior is actually a feature of Word that hides white space, including headers and footers, at the top and bottom of a page. This feature provides a way to display more real information on the screen and is particularly useful if you have a document that uses a lot of white space at the top and the bottom of a page. If you go ahead and move the mouse pointer over this line, you can see that it changes to a two-headed arrow, double-headed arrow, if you will. You can double-click here, and all of a sudden, you have your margins back. Notice if I move it in between those margins, in between those indications of the page, I have the double-headed arrow again, and I can double-click one more time, and it collapses that top and bottom margin so that it's not visible on the screen there. If you prefer, you can also change the setting by displaying the Word Options dialog box. All you have to do is go over here and then click on Display. It is this setting, Show White Space Between Pages in Print Layout View, that controls the display of the top and bottom margins. If the checkbox is selected, then the margins are visible. If the checkbox is cleared, then they are not visible. So I can change it if I want to, and then click on OK, and I'm back to having the margins that I want in between my pages of the document. So there you have it, a feature in Word that you might first consider being a bug. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.